we are, very excited. Got my Wunderlich Daytona fairing, gonna get it installed. Gonna replace the Rizoma fairing there.
Mods!
And here she is. Oh my goodness. They just installed my Wunderlich Daytona fairing with the touring screen matching my aluminum tank. I think she's a beauty. Thank you, BMW Burbank. She's gorgeous. I have yet to ride. I'm leaving the shop. I'm very excited. We did not adjust the bar risers at all. Still in the tallest position there. Oh my God, she looks good. Cockpit. Oh my God, beautiful. Gorgeous. Side angle. Oh my God. Oh, okay, let's ride this thing. I can't take it anymore.
So this is the touring screen, which is taller than the sport screen. Since I've been modding this R9T to be a touring bike, I went with the taller screen for blocking more wind pressure. I'm 5'6", and I'm sitting more upright with the 2-inch ROX risers along with the Healy bars mod, which fit and are compatible with the Daytona fairing. I'd say the wind buffets towards the top of my chest, below my neck, which is good. I will also say there is some wind buffeting on my helmet. I've read on the forums, some say the wind noise is very loud. I now understand what they are talking about, because it sounds like the higher pitch wind noise from an open vent on my helmet. But that higher pitch open vent sounding noise doesn't happen constantly. Also, I am able to tuck down behind the Daytona screen for maximum wind blocking, and it is much quieter in a full tuck. So even though there is some wind noise here and there, that doesn't bother me so much. We're riding motorcycles, and there will be wind noise. I also wear custom earplugs all the time anyhow, so it's no big deal. I'm very happy with this Daytona fairing. The looks are spectacular, and the higher touring screen is taking the pressure off my entire chest when going the distance and high speeds on freeways. So this mod has totally met my expectations, and I'm super happy. It's expensive, but in my opinion, it is worth it. The Wunderlich Daytona fairing comes in Catalano Gray for the R9T Pure. That's a simple online purchase for Pure owners with no modifications. But I have the Pure model with the aluminum exposed weld option tank. So since I wanted the matching aluminum fairing, I needed to call Wunderlich America to have them swap out the bracket and give me the Pure model mounting bracket. Great customer service. Easy peasy. Thanks, Wunderlich America. Mods! Oh, and hey, click like and subscribe to see future mods and adventures of Vroom Go Pam!